To add an app from the App Store, the first thing you're going to need to do is find the App Store app. Click on it, and then click on the icon in the upper right-hand corner. Enter your Apple ID, followed by your password. Once you're done, click Sign In. I have two-factor authentication activated on my account. If you do, you're going to need to add the passcode that is sent to your backup device. If you don't, you can skip this step. If I scroll down, I see apps that I need to update and apps that I've previously purchased. I'm going to click the search in the lower right-hand corner. I'm going to enter my search term. Now you'll notice the first app that comes up has a cloud with a downward arrow. That means I have the app, but I have not installed it. Other apps say Open or Get. If it says Get, that means I do not own this app. If it says Open, it is already installed on the iPad. This time, I'm going to select Get. I'm going to click Install. I'm going to click Always Require my passcode. The app has started to install. If, rather than say Get, it has a dollar amount, that is how much the app will cost you. Once I exit out of the App Store, and I can search for the app. Here you can see that it has started to install.